In just the last decade, factory technology has evolved faster than ever before.
But is this progress creating opportunity or replacing jobs?
Factory technology is transforming industries worldwide. From manufacturing to logistics, everything is changing. For workers, automation brings new challenges.
Job security has become a growing concern.
Skills that were once enough are no longer sufficient.
Factories must balance technology with human impact. Artificial intelligence now controls factory efficiency. Robotics increases speed, accuracy, and consistency.
The Internet of Things connects every machine.
Real-time data helps prevent breakdowns and waste. Humans now work alongside intelligent systems.
But technology also brings cost and complexity.
One factory faced declining productivity.
After adopting smart technology, everything changed. Jobs evolved instead of disappearing.
Factory technology is neither good nor bad by itself.
Success depends on adaptation and balance.
What do you think about factory technology? Share your thoughts in the comments and check out more videos on our channel.